Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, where we learn English with daily routines. Today, I will show you how I eat my breakfast cereal. Let's begin. It is a sunny day. I want to have breakfast cereal. Firstly, I take the food packet. I open it. I pour some food into the bowl. A little food spills out of the bowl. I pick it up and put it back into the bowl. I close the food packet. I sprinkle a little sugar on the food. I pour some milk into the bowl. I taste it. I chew it. Finally, I swallow it. Delicious! Thank you for watching my daily routine video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy English learning. See you next time!